Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 13 mai. Il faut travailler à Duolingo 8 pour le 18 mai. Si vous travaillez 10 minutes, vous allez finir. Remember, you've got to finish up by the 18th of May, this last Duolingo. If you work 10 minutes each time, you should be on track to finish. So on Monday, we talked about the verbs and we reviewed the verb chart, talking about how the verb changes to match the subject, whether you're saying I versus you versus he, she, one, we, you all, or they. And we went over the verbs we've already done this year, the verb être, to be, when you want to say I am, you are, he or she is. And then we talked about the verb avoir, when you have things, and we used this a lot when we did description, like you have blue eyes, you have brown hair, or he has or she has. And so that's another part of this, right? The verb avoir, to have. Voila. And then the verb faire we used when we talked about activities. We're still using it for some new ones for this unit. Faire du ski, faire du patin à glace, faire du skate. All of those things go with the verb faire. And so when you say that people are skating or skiing, you would use a different form. Fait, faisons, faites, depending. The new verb is aller, which also showed up in our little paragraphs, and we're saying that people are going to do something. So after skiing, they're going to the cafe. After taking a bike ride, they're going home. Or what they're going to do next is kind of what we're going to practice right now. So the same verb applies when you say you're going to. Je vais, tu vas, il ou elle va, nous allons, vous allez, il ou elles vont. We're going, and then what we're going to do next. So we're going to look at pictures, and then for each picture, you're going to write a sentence. I'm going to help you, walk you through a few of them, saying what these people are going to do. All right, here's our first picture. So we need to think about what's going to happen in French. Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont faire? Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont faire? Right? So what are they going to do? So the first part of the sentence is they're going. Ils for the they. And then how am I going to say are going? Well, that's going to be the form of aller that matches. Ils vont. Notice it's also in the question. Ils vont. Well, I see that he is lacing up her skates, so my guess is that they're going to go ice skating. So you have the ils, the vont, and now we need to say to go ice skating. Faire du patin à glace. Okay, so the sample sentence, the example would be ils vont faire du patin à glace. Ils vont faire du patin à glace. So again, this verb matches the form of aller, but this one, faire, doesn't change. You just use the verb like the expression, just the way it would look when you're looking it up on your verb chart. On your vocab chart. Okay, so here's the first one that you need to do. Okay, so you would write number 1 on your paper. Start your sentence. Le père et son fils. Le père et son fils. So first I need to think of the verb aller. How am I going to say the father and son are going? Well, I need to think. Le père et son fils. That's like saying il. So what's the form that goes with they? Le père et son fils. Just like the last one, that would be vont. And now I need to add, what are they going to do? Well, he's putting on the skis. So ils vont faire du ski. Le père et son fils vont faire du ski. For this one, now we're talking about mon ami, my friend, just this guy in the picture, right? So I think of him as a guy because it's the male form of friend. Il. So what is the form that's going to match il? I would go back to my verb chart and I would look, what is the one that matches il? Je vais, tu vas, il. Ah oui. Mon ami va. Mon ami va. Well, what's he going to do if he's putting on this? He's going to go play some soccer. Mon ami va jouer au Mon ami va jouer au foot. Now you go on to number 3 on your own. The first step is to come up with the form of aller. Again, you're not going to write aller. you're going to write the form that matches vous. Look at the chart. And then you write the activity, right? They are ready to go. What are they going to go do next? They're going to play chess. They're about to start. So you, meaning the two boys, we're talking to them about them. You are going to play chess, right? It's like someone is over here talking to the boys and saying, oh, you're going to play chess. Okay? So again, the form of aller that matches vous, and then fill in the activity. That would be your number 3. You're still doing these on the same piece of paper. 4. Look at this picture. She looks ready to jump in the pool, right? So what are you going to say that la fille is going to do? So again, you need the verb aller and the activity. Think about la fille, right? Look at the picture. What subject pronoun matches to help you pick the right form of aller? So again, aller, and then the activity. Numéro 5. Tu. It's like someone is talking to this guy and saying, oh, you're going to skateboard? So that would be the going part. This is the form of aller that matches tu. And then here, the activity. Tu. And then put the next one. Les gens. Les gens. All these people. It's a whole group of people. So I think about that. That's like saying they. Right? So what's my form of aller? And they're going somewhere to the something. I look at this picture. And, well, maybe guessing here. Is this the theater? Is this the opera? Right? It's the opera. Oui? So then you would put in what goes here. And then here for the opera. Remember, this is the to. This is the to the. Right? This is the aller. This is to the, and this is the place. Okay? Work on that. Put it on your paper. Okay. Je. So it's like she's talking and she's saying, I'm going. And where does she think she's going with all this stuff? She's probably saying, I'm going to the beach. So again, this would be aller. This would be the to the. And this is beach. And you change ocean, lake. Again, look at your vocab and pick the right form of to the. Write your sentence. And go on to the. So this is the last sentence. Now you're going to say that the friends, les amis, are going to the, where do we think these two people are going? Yep, the mountain. Les amis, there's 2 of them. I'm saying the friends. Subject pronoun for that in French would be they, ils. So I need the form of aller that matches ils. To the, that matches mountain. Okay, les amis, mountain. Finish your sentence, and then that is the paper that you need to turn in for today. I'll give you feedback on it. Please check that when you get that back so you're making sure you know how to write these kinds of sentences. Take the picture of your paper or submit your Google Doc and turn that into Canvas for your assignment for today. Voilà, c'est tout. Au revoir.